A very good morning and Jai Hind students, and this is Amit Kumar Gautam, and these are the answers of the question that were given by me yesterday. If you are unable to see these answers, I will send you a picture separately on your group, right? So let's start the next topic, and your next topic is representation of rational numbers on real line, right? So let's start representation of rational numbers. First of all, we will talk about natural numbers. For natural numbers, we start with 1. This is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Number 2, whole numbers. For representing whole numbers, we have to add or include one extra element in the set of natural number. That means what? That means you have to add 0 in the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Next, integers. और मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था इंटीजर्स क्या होते हैं. टेक नेगेटिव साइन टू होल नंबर्स एंड इंक्लूड ऑल नेचुरल नंबर्स. सो द नंबर्स सो obtained are called integers. That means take negative sign in the set of whole numbers. So whole numbers are 0. When you take negative to 1, this will be negative 1. When you take negative with 2, this will be negative 2, negative 3, and so on. And include all natural numbers. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Now I'll talk about representation of rational numbers. So आप लोगों ने पढ़ा all natural numbers are whole number and every whole number is integer and every integer is a rational. That means every natural number is rational, every whole number is again rational, every integer is again rational number. But the converse is also true. Is every rational number is integer? The answer is no. Why? Because the numbers are in the form of p upon q, where both p and q are integers and q is not equal 0 are the integers. So the numbers which are in the form of 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 5 by 8, 8 by 6, 9 by 12, all are rationals but are not integers. So converse is not true. Similarly, all integers are not whole number but some integers are whole number. Why? आप यहाँ से कंसीडर कर लो, यहाँ से सब 0, 1, 2, 3 all are whole numbers, but the thing all integers are whole numbers is wrong. Why? Because of -1, -2, -3. Similarly, you can say every whole number is not natural number due to 0, because 0 is a whole number, 0 is not a natural number, right? So every preceding set implies the forwarding set. So you will see some examples. X equals, suppose and take any number. This is 1 by 3 and you have to represent this number on real line. First of all, take initial point 0 and you very well know this number is less than 1 but greater than 0, right? That means this number lies between 0 and 1. So part this line from 0 to 1 in 3 parts, 3 equal parts. This is your 1 part and this is your 2 part and this is your 3 part. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, right? So 3 part में से आपको फर्स्ट पार्ट उठा लेना है, 3 पार्ट्स में से आपको एक पार्ट उठा लेना है. That means this number represents 1 by 3, right? Similarly, you can take another example, and this example is, suppose a is any number and this is 2 into 4 by 3, right? This number may also be in the form 10 by 3. So please don't take tension. Again draw a real line and take some points 1, 2, 3, and this number 2 is a whole number, so count 2, just 1, this is 2. यहाँ तक कंप्लीट हुआ. उसके बाद आपको रिप्रेजेंट करना है 4 by 3. Sorry, this number is wrong. This is 3 3s are 9 and 1 by 3, right? So count 3 and then count 4. Why? Because this number lies between 4 and 3. बिकॉज ये नंबर आपका 3 से बड़ा है और 4 से छोटा होने वाला है. तो आपको इस नंबर को कहाँ रिप्रेजेंट करना है? 3 और 4 के बीच में करना है. तो 3 और 4 के बीच में आपको जो सेम पार्ट बनाने हैं, इसको रिप्रेजेंट करना है 1 by 3 को. 1 by 3 को रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करते हैं? टेक 3 पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस लाइन, इक्वल पार्ट 1, 2 एंड दिस इज योर 3. उसमें से जो भी आपका नोमिनेटर होगा आपको उसे उठा लेना है. दिस इज योर 1. दिस नंबर फ्रॉम 0 to here represent 3 into 1 by 3, right? Similarly you can take a negative example. Y equals minus 15 by 6. You can cancel it and this will be minus 2 into 1 by 2. So do yourself. Now I will discuss to find some rational numbers between two rational numbers, and this is the another method that I described before. Suppose 3 and 4 any two numbers, and you have to find some rational numbers. Suppose you have to find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So simply just add both the numbers and divided by 2. This will be 7 by 2. Similarly, now consider, now your number is 3, this is 4, and this is your first number 7 by 2. Again take this number as first number, this number as second number. Again apply the same rule, add both the numbers and divide by 2. You will get 15 by 4. Now this is your second number which lies between 3 and 4. That means 15 by 4. To find the another number between 3 and 4, take this is your first number, this is your second number, and you can find infinite number between 3 and 4 by this procedure. So we conclude from here that there are infinite numbers between two rational numbers. Now you have to solve this question. Find 3 rational numbers greater than 5. There are infinite answers of this question. You very well know what the numbers which are greater than 5. These numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You just have to find only 3 out of them. First one is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. बट आंसर जरूरी नहीं है ये. सेकेंड आंसर देखिए, टेक फर्स्ट नंबर 5 एंड सेकेंड नंबर इज 6. यू कैन ऑल्सो फाइंड 3 numbers between 5 and 6. These are in the form of, suppose this is your first number, this is your second number. This will be 11 by 2. That means 11 by 2. Now suppose this is your first number, this is your second number. Apply the same rule, 11 by 2 plus 6 by 2. Add these both numbers and divide by only 2. You have to always divide by 2. Take LCM of these two quantity and you will get 23 by 4. Again you have to take, this is your first number, and this is your second number, and you will get from here this is 47 by 8, and this will surely lies between 5 and 6. You can check by dividing. आपको डिवाइड करना है, चेक कर लेना है, राइट. This chapter is almost going to finish, and I am discussing some properties which are very important. That is, first property, you have to write these properties, and your first property is rational numbers are commutative and associative. Sum operations, addition, and multiplication use symbols are commutative and associative. And second one is the additive identity. Additive identity is 0 of any number, any rational. The multiplicative identity is 1.